A lot of French going on in this episode. Hey! Yeah! Boop. You just got booped. That just happened. I booped you through the internet, and there's nothing you can do about it unless you want to boop me back. That's fine. It's cool too. Hi! Hello! Welcome everybody. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone had a really good weekend. A lot of you were done with school, so hey, if you graduated high school or you're on summer vacation, cool. Don't do anything stupid. Have fun and be safe. Hi pals, thanks for coming back. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for reporting for duty patrol. As you can tell, I finally found some cartoon sound effects and I'm overusing the heck out of them, so that's gonna be something that's happening every week from now on. I'm just gonna stop rambling and let's jump right into haul series number Dirty 30. Well, okay, I have 4 things and this is kind of a weird haul, but hey, I dig it. First thing is from our good friends at soulsteals.com, which is a part of Soul Supremacy. They're doing this thing right now where you buy a $75 Mystery Supreme t-shirt. Every once in a while, I guess he'll throw like a crazy expensive one in there. Like I know for a fact that someone got a large BOGO red hoodie, which is kind of awesome because that's definitely worth more than $75. Mine came in a little tiny priority mail thing, so I doubt it's a red BOGO hoodie, but it could be something good. So let's pop this thing open and see what it is. I doubt it's going to be worth anything more than 75 bucks. Could be worth even less than 75 bucks. So let's see what's going on here. It says Supreme, and it's got some kind of design of a chest, which is kind of ironic because that's where your chest would be. I don't know the value of this. I know I paid $81 or $82 or something for it. Could be worth more, could be worth less. That's the beauty of mystery things. I love doing the mystery thing, so I will continue doing these kind of things. If you are a member of Soul Steals, you can buy one of these for $75 plus shipping. Soul Steals does cost 20 bucks a month if you're not a member, but totally worth it if you ask me. So there we go. Nothing on the back. So it's a White Supreme t-shirt. Neat. After that, this is from someone I've gotten a couple things from before. It's a very, very legitimate dude on the Twitterverse, Twitter app. His handle is @musics_waffles. We met in person actually a couple times when I was living in Portland, but he gave me a really good price on something that I'm having a hard time opening, but I don't want to break eye contact with the camera, and it could be my demise. This is what they call dead air in the biz. What biz? The entertainment biz. This, he gave me a really good, really good price on these. A size medium, right? Yes. Of the ARC logo water shorts. This is from this year. It's week 13, I want to say. Retail on this was $118. I did not pay $118, I will tell you that. But yeah, these are too small for me because I am a bulbous man. But these will be up on the website. I'm not a big fan of water, so I don't swim. I don't actually know how to swim. But I am a big fan of music. Music is his name, that's what I call him. But I do like music too. If you have Twitter, you should follow musics_waffles, because he is a good dude. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate you big time. This next thing is in a small little envelope that says, thank you, you're welcome. This is from my buddy, also on Twitter. His handle is @SoulSearcher72. We actually hung out when I was moving across the country, and he actually gave me this as a present, as a gift. This is a Supreme BOGO sticker. It's called Le Bain, which is French for the bath. It's a painting by Edouard Manet, French painter. But this is a really, I guess this is a pretty valuable sticker. Big fan of Soul Searcher. Check him out on Twitter. His handle is @SoulSearcher72. He is a great human being. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. Okay, and there's a story behind this last thing. First of all, I just want to show you guys the box. This came up from all the way in Madrid, Spain. Here's the box. As you can tell, the box is a little bit mangled. It looks like someone tried to retape it. I think what happened, because this came from Europe, I'm not 100% positive, but it got delayed in shipment, which means customs probably opened it up to look inside and see what it was. This actually came from a shop in Madrid called Noir Francais. These were very hard to find and get, not for resale. Don't know why. This brand is coming out of nowhere, and I will get into that in a second. Let me open this thing up because this might be a little tough. Again, you can see here's the box. I'm hoping the box inside is not mangled. Very good possibility if you can't tell by it. But hey, there's some kind of little like pack in here. Here's a sticker. I'm hoping it's not upside down. It could be upside down. I'm not too sure. Hey, another sticker. This is their actual logo. It's an N. If you go sideways, it could be Z. So I'm kind of nervous opening this up because the box is so mangled, but it's open. The box is in pretty decent shape, actually. It's not too beat up. I'm talking about the box that was inside the box. You can just see there's a little bit of a tear and some things here. But as you can tell from the box, it's a Puma. Puma is making moves, y'all. I don't know if you guys are paying attention to Puma. Puma recently signed Rihanna and Fenty, so they've been doing a lot of stuff with that. Puma has also come out with a lot of really good collaborations in the past couple months here. The MCM collaboration that came out, that shoe is absolutely awesome. And I think last week, or yeah, something like that, they came out with an RSO. They did a Sonic the Hedgehog collaboration. They have a blue one and a red one. And it's actually really cool, so you should check these out. But this is a shoe that came out. I ordered a 10, thinking it was gonna be a 10.5. It's actually an 11, which is my size. Thank goodness. I don't own any Pumas until now, so this is different for me. Puma has jumped on the dad shoe fad right now. This shoe is called the Thunder Spectra. People are gonna say it looks like a Wave Runner. I think it looks better than a Wave Runner because I think the Wave Runner is too light of a colorway for me. And I just find the colors on this shoe better looking. I'm really excited about these. I will be keeping these. I did pay a little bit over retail for them because it came from the EU, so it cost a little bit more. Watch out for Puma in the next year or so. Puma didn't send me these for free. I'm not sponsored by Puma. I'm not trying to get Puma to send me things. And I'm realizing by saying Puma, it's a psychological thing where I'm gonna get Puma to send me free things. But I'm not. I think Puma has some momentum right now. And I think if you're a fan of Puma, I think this brand's about to blow up. I could be wrong. I'm wrong a lot, as you guys who have watched any of my videos before know. I mean, this shoe is, I think, the best execution aside from the Nike Spiridon, which is the original dad shoe. I think this is the best looking execution of a dad shoe compared to the Wave Runner and also compared to the Fila Python or whatever thing that just came out. The Fila one looks almost identical to a Wave Runner. But regardless, this was just a shoe I wanted to get. There's resale on them is like 100, it's like 190 right now. Retail was 120. I think this is a slick shoe, so if you want to check out Noir Francais, shop in Madrid, Spain. Cool shoe. Really pumped on this. And I'm really glad the box is in pretty decent shape because let me just show you this box again. This is after opening it. This thing is absolutely mangled. And the size of the box itself, the box was like this much of the actual shipping box. That's why it's very important to remember when you pack shoes when you're selling to throw in some packing material. So that's all I got for you guys today. No questions and answers this week because I wanted to make this kind of short and sweet. Thank you again to Music's Waffles and Soul Searcher 72 and Soul Steals. Check them all out on various social media outlets. And thank you so much for watching if you made it through this video. I have probably the most expensive, no, it's not probably, it is the most expensive beater box I've ever gotten. Appreciate you taking the time. Remember to check out ransomnotesneakers.com or rnsmnote.com. There's not really much going on right there. If you missed the flash sale from this weekend, that stinks. Thank you guys and gals so much. Again, we will see you soon. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of each other. And remember, they're just shoes. If you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy. See you next time. Bye-bye! What is this? What am I doing?